Create a heart. Before this, making the heart was taught in the video above. Copy the shape. Change it as shown. Select all the shapes and lock them using the shortcut key Ctrl+2. Select the pen tool and draw parts on the shape like the example and change the color. For this, you can use the shortcut key V for the selection tool, and the shortcut key I for the eyedropper. Copy the shape. While the anchor point is set on the right center, flip the shape horizontally. Select all the shapes and lock them using the shortcut key Ctrl+2. Repeat the previous steps for other shapes. Use the Ctrl+Alt+2 shortcut key to unlock the shapes. Choose the smaller heart. Right-click on the object and select Bring to Front from the Arrange menu. Copy the shape. Change it as shown. Copy the shape. Change it as shown. After the final moving of the shapes, select all the shapes and convert them into a group.
Subscribe for more tutorial.